Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Techies Talk. In this video, we are going to see about three different ways of generating random text in Microsoft Word. So before going into our video, please do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Let's begin. So for some of our development process or some of our learning process in Microsoft Word, we need to generate some dummy text. In this, for generating dummy text, we have three different ways in Microsoft Word. Now we are going to see those methods one by one. Initially, first give equal to rand, R-A-N-D with the method symbol. That is, this is the open bracket and close bracket. Give enter. This is the default method without specifying any number of paragraph or number of line. We can directly give equal to rand method. It will generate you some of the dynamic paragraph for your Word document. We can copy paste it, cut paste it and use it for our learning purpose or any purpose in your Microsoft Word document. This is one way. Or in this rand itself, we can specify how much number of paragraph you need and those paragraph needs to contain how many number of lines. We can specify that also. Now I will show you the example with that. Now I am going to give equal to rand of, say for example, I need some two paragraph with 3 line each. Then close the bracket and give enter. See, two paragraph with 3 lines will be printed in our Word document. This will be some random text that will be generated in our Microsoft Word document for our formatting purpose. This is one way. In the same way, we can have equal to lorem method. In that lorem method, enter. This will generate lorem ipsum text. So this will be the default one, and as we discussed in the rand method, we can specify the number of paragraph and number of sentence also. Equal to lorem of, I'm going to have only one paragraph with 2 lines in my paragraph. Close the bracket, press enter. So this is it. And then comes rand.old method. This will generate some more interesting text. Let's see what it is. So rand.old bracket enter. See, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is the text that will be generated when we use rand.old. So again I can give as rand.old with paragraph and sentence for each paragraph. I can give 3 paragraph with 4 lines. Close the bracket, press enter. So this is for the generating random text in our Microsoft Word. So this is so interesting, right? So please do comment in our video and give a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.